ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಬೆಳಗಾಯಿತು ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ನಡೆಯುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುಹೋಗುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಬೆಳಗಾಯಿತು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್.
Administrative Judge of High Court of Karnataka made best efforts to open this bar association, historical bar association on this day. Therefore, we are all assembled here to present here to grace the occasion. Today, we have the gracious presence of Honorable Shri Justice Prasanna B. Varale, Chief Justice, Honorable High Court of Karnataka. He is a source of great pleasure and privilege. I wholeheartedly extend my warm welcome to respected Your Lordship on behalf of entire district judiciary and members of the Bar Association.
ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಬಿ ವರಾಳೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ವಕೀಲರ ಸಂಘದ ನೂತನ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ವಕೀಲರ ಸಂಘದ ಸರ್ವ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ. ಸರ್, 1885ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಗೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಬ್ರ್ ಅವರು ಆಗಿನ ಒಂದು 20 ಜನ ವಕೀಲರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಲಾ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಗೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಬ್ರ್ ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿ ವಕೀಲರ ಕೂಟವನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿದರು. ತದನಂತರ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 1926ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ದಿನಾಂಕ 15/12/1927ರಂದು ಈ ಲಾ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ವಕೀಲರ ಸಂಘ ಎಂದು ನಾಮಕರಣವಾಯಿತು.
We have gathered here to inaugurate newly constructed bar association. I'm so thrilled to be here today. The entire area of the campus comprising of 58.6 guntas, 58 acres 6 guntas. Out of it, the entire court complex was constructed in an area of 20,625 square meters, and the bar association is constructed within the area of 2,091 square meters, comprising of ground floor and 2 floors. That is first and second floor, with all facilities like canteen, typing pool, conference hall, bank, etc. You are aware that district court was inaugurated about 14 months back, but the new court building was not functioning. I was appointed as an administrative judge in the month of June 2023. Then at that time I was sitting at the High Court of Dharwad bench. Then office bearers came and met me. Then they expressed their grievance that this court is not functioning. Then immediately I requested the PDJ to submit a report on the new court building. Then Principal District Judge has submitted a report, and the same was placed before the Honorable Chief Justice. The Honorable Chief Justice called upon the Registrar General, that is Bharat Kumar, who is present before this August function, and he took up the matter with the government to see that court functions should go on. Then immediately government has responded and allotted additional funds of rupees 21 crores, and then work has been started. But this building, this magnificent building was constructed with a huge amount, and further today now the court building is ready. From 15th onwards, all the district courts will start functioning in this new court building. And further, I request all the advocates to cooperate with the judicial officers for quick disposal of the cases. And further, Now already PDJ is taking the steps to shift all the files from tomorrow onwards, and for the length of the time for conclusion of the litigation is a big deterrent. It is therefore necessary to strengthen the use of alternative dispute redressal. Further, I congratulate the members of the bar for this new magnificent building with all facilities. All this could not be possible without the assistance and support of the state government. I am sure that with the better infrastructure in place, it would be much easier to pursue the noble cause of dispensing justice. Technology has strengthened the timely access to the justice by providing real-time information about the cases to the lawyers and litigants. Nowadays, litigants can see the status of the case in their mobile, and further, technology had brought tremendous changes after COVID-19 pandemic. We are conducting the court proceedings through virtually, and I request the junior members of the bar to make use of the technology. And further, this bar has sent distinguished judges to the High Court, namely Honorable Justice Srimati Manjula Chellur, Justice K. Sridhar Rao, Justice Ramana, and Justice Patribasan Gowda. I, as the Administrative Judge of Ballari District, express my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice and the State Government for supporting to commence the court functioning from 15th onwards, from 15/11/2023 in the new court premises building. And further, I thank the Bar Association for providing me an opportunity to express my views. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
ಈ ಆವರಣ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಕಟ್ಟಡಗಳು ಬಹುಶಃ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ತಂದಿವೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಬಾರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ವರಾಳೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಅವರದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಬಾರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನಿನ ಕಟ್ಟಡಗಳನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದ ಚೀಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನಿನ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿ ತಂದಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕು. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಭಾಷಣದೊಳಗೆ ಎರಿಗೌಡರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಈ ಬಾರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ವಕೀಲರುಗಳು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಂಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋರಾಟದೊಳಗೆ ಧುಮುಕಿದ್ರು. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಂಗ್ರಾಮ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಏಕೀಕರಣದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯ ಪಾತ್ರ ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಏಕೀಕರಣ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಇರಬೇಕನ್ನುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋರಾಟ, ನಂತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಾಮಕರಣ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೋರಾಟ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಗಳು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋರಾಟ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Address these points at this stage before I proceed to my formal speech. So there cannot be any dispute when you say that the very important stakeholder of this institution is litigant. This entire institution, justice dispensation system, is for that person who approaches with hope, with a trust to this institution that a justice would be delivered, with a hope and trust that even if he is a sufferer by exploitation of either somebody powerful in the society or the mighty state itself. But with hope he approaches the system, knocks the door of the system and awaits for the decision. And as such, there can't be any dispute that this, the most important litigant stakeholder, must be given a due respect. Dignity of a litigant be maintained. There can't be any other opinion on this. Sir, let me just inform you, as the head of the institute and all my brothers who are with me, with the assistance of our subordinate judicial officers, with the assistance and cooperation of the bar members, make an attempt to see that a proper accommodation is available to the litigant who enters in this court. And particularly, sir, this building, if you just go through our booklet, all these three floors we have provided litigant waiting room. At first floor we have provided mother and child waiting room. In second floor we have provided litigant waiting room, again mother and child waiting room. Again on the third floor also we are providing litigant waiting room and witness waiting room. So all what you shared, sir, is utmost importance, and we try to see that the basic facilities are provided to litigant, at least a decent place for sitting, at least the facility for drinking water, washrooms, and even henceforth, sir, if any building, we will see that such facilities are made available to the litigant. And as my brother in his speech referred that from 15th, the building, core building, would be functional on 2 floors, and that assurance, again I reiterate to you, I had a talk with the engineer before we came to this stage, and the team of the PWD was also very cooperative to us, and those the representative of Sri Halinge, Chief Engineer, CBPWD, were also very cooperative and helpful to us.
ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಯ ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಬೆಳಗಾಯಿತು ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ.